Hi guys, Noel here. I have no makeup on. I'm going to get ready to show you what a microdermabrasion is about. Okay? Microdermabrasion is a treatment that I do using some tools, a little wand that has diamonds encrusted in the tip of it, which helps to scrub away any dead skin cells. I'm going to get ready to do this on my skin in just a minute. What I do is I take a little tubing and I attach it to the microdermabrasion wand. And I have different wands with different coarse tips. The diamonds gently scrub away any top layer of dead skin that has pigment, can make your skin look aged, make your skin look dull, dry, rough. What happens is the tubing gets attached to a machine, the microdermabrasion machine. It creates a vacuum. So when it scrubs the dead skin cells, they get sucked into the vacuum and into a little canister. This is the canister, and this is a little filter that goes inside the canister. The filter is clean when I put it into the canister, and then what happens is the dead skin that comes off of your face goes onto that little filter and then you just throw it away, but you're able to see how much dry, dead skin cells are on the surface of your skin, which is pretty neat because then you can tell whether your products are working well or whether you need to change any treatments that you're getting done for stronger treatments, because the idea with skincare is that you want to make sure that you exfoliate and protect your skin. Okay, so I'm going to use a medium strength coarseness. The machine's a little loud, so I'm just going to turn it on and let you see what a microdermabrasion is about. So this feels very good on my skin. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't make your skin look red or irritated. And what happens is you can see a little powder, a little white powder of dry skin that comes off. Ultimately, what this does is it helps to brighten up the look of your skin. It helps to stimulate collagen and elastin. It helps younger, healthier looking skin cells to be revealed. This is almost like shedding away the skin on an onion. When you take off the dry layers of the skin on an onion to get to the good stuff underneath, that's what this microdermabrasion does. It can make you look a little pink at first, but that pinkness goes right away. This can be done on your face, on your chest, on your hands, on your back. There are different wands that work in those areas. This will also help makeup to go on better. People always ask me, is it weird that I think this feels good? And I say, no, that's what everybody says. Feels good because you can tell you're getting something accomplished. And this is a treatment that has instant gratification. As soon as you get it done, your skin is looking smoother, feeling brighter, makeup goes on better. This will also help with your pores, because what happens with your skin is that your body overproduces oil in order to heal up dry skin. So if you've got a layer of dry skin that just needs to be exfoliated off with a microdermabrasion, if you don't get a microdermabrasion, your body will start to overproduce oil to try to heal it. And then your pores can get clogged, and then you can have oily skin one day, dry, rough skin the next day, and your skin is just confused when it just really needs a microdermabrasion. So that's why I always treat the nose and the chin area really well, because that's typically where people have blackheads. This will take off that dry skin and prevent any blackheads from forming due to that overproduction of oil. Now the only follow-up with this microdermabrasion is that you don't want to use any harsh products on your skin like retinol or tretinoin for a couple of days, or nights I should say, until your skin is feeling back to normal. So I'm going to go over my skin a couple more times with different wands, and then I'm going to take a little look at my filter from the canister and see how much skin I was able to get off, so you can get an idea of really the progress that this treatment creates for your skin. I start off with a more coarse wand to get off the larger chunks of skin, and then I do a softer wand to really polish the skin and get off the smaller, I don't know if you can see the skin that's coming off my face, but it's definitely doing its job today. I had a peel about a week ago. I did a VI peel, so that helps to lift dry, dead skin. Helps to lift pigment, it helps to stimulate collagen also. So it clears up brown on the skin, and it tightens, brightens, lifts, plumps little fine lines. A lot of people get those lines around their mouth as we all age. Peels and microdermabrasions work wonders to get rid of those little crow's feet that try to form. Not when you get peels and microdermabrasions. A lot of little blackheads form on people's lips right around there from cosmetics. This helps to keep your skin as clean as possible. This should be done once every 4 to 6 weeks. And then you should wash your face daily. Use sunscreen daily. And then the 3 most important things for good skincare would be using an exfoliator at night, which would be a product, a cream that helps to lift the skin, turn skin cells over. An antioxidant in the morning, which helps to prevent extrinsic aging, which is the deterioration of your skin from pollution outside. And then using a sunscreen, a good broad spectrum sunscreen, has UVA and UVB protection in it. If you're just using a moisturizer with SPF in it, it's typically not good enough. If you're using a makeup that has an SPF in it, you need to be sure that you're also putting a sunscreen on underneath that makeup. I don't know if you can see the little white powder. I can certainly see it flying around in the air. Most of it's getting sucked up, so not much is flying, but any little pieces flying away from my face, I'm seeing them. This is basically the microdermabrasion. Takes just a couple of minutes to do it. I usually incorporate that with a facial, unless you were doing just a mini microdermabrasion. I have a lot of dry skin cells on my skin still. I can feel them. So typically what I do is just wash that off. I put a mask on during your microdermabrasion treatment. And I'm just basically getting the little canister and I'm I'm gonna pull out my little filter. It's kind of gross. It's kind of gross. But if you're not squeamish, you can see this is this is gross. This is all the dead skin cells. This was clean when I put it in like that. Okay? That's what this side looked like. And now, see all those little flakes? Dry, dead skin. That's my dry, dead skin. So imagine trying to make your skin look radiant and healthy and glowing when you've got dry, dead skin cells. Can't do it. Microdermabrasion every 4 to 6 weeks. You'll love it, I promise. I'm gonna wash my face, put some makeup on, and I'll show you the final results.